Is how to fix if your iPhone camera blinking continuously on your iPhone. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is restart your iPhone. This is the simple and initial workaround to fix various type of your iPhone issue. So simply restart your iPhone after shutdown and after sometimes restart it. Once restart, go to settings of your phone, tap on settings, go to camera settings, tap on it, and here scroll down, and from the bottom of the page disable macro control, and check whether your camera is still blinking or not. If still blinking, then go to settings, general settings, and software updates. If you found any update available, simply download it. Sometimes outdated iOS update may be a cause of camera blinking on your iPhone, so must install iOS